Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from an USB. Okay, open your browser and go to Sleuth Kit. Select sleuthkit.org. Here on Autopsy, click on Download and download the installer. In this case, I'm using Windows. Once ready, go to your Downloads folder, select Installer, right-click, Properties, and here click here to unlock it and be able to execute the installer. Apply, accept. Now execute the installer. Next, choose your desired folder location. Next, and click install. Later, it's going to ask you for permissions. So pay attention to the installation progress. Once you gave it permissions, wait until it finishes installing. It may give you it may ask you for some other network permissions later on, so please pay attention to the installation progress. Now the installation is completed. I'm going to click on finish. I'm going to remove this and open it from here, Autopsy. Now I have an USB plug-in to my computer. Okay. And I have those files, an MP4 file, a PDF, and an image. What I'm going to do now is simply delete them. There, gone. Now, going back to the autopsy while still is loading. Almost there. Nice. Here you have a welcome message. Simply close it. Here, go to case, new case. Choose a name for this case. I'm going to type USB test. The base directory will be my desktop on my laptop, right? And there, Autopsy is going to create this folder, USB test. Continue, click on next. And as you can see, it's going to ask for optional information, just in case that you want to give more information. For now, click on finish. And wait until the case is created. Once the case is created, we have to select the host. This is like default option. Leave it like that. Click on next. Here we are using a local disk, but if you have a disk image or virtual machine file, you can use it. Local disk, next. Here you have to select the disk that's going to be the data source. In this case, it is going to be the USB drive. Choose your time zone, and this is fine as auto detect. Click on next. And here you have the options that the modules run when the analysis starts. So we're going to check this box, this one, keyword search. No, I don't think so. Encryption detection, maybe. Interesting files, yes. Here, central repository is like an optional step. I recommend you just unmark it or do as you please. We have PhotoRec, data source integrity, Jira analyzer, GPX parser. Here. this is the first time you're using Autopsy, just leave the default options. It's going to take some time, but that will prevent the analysis from failing. That's all. Click on Next and wait until the data source is processed. At this time, everything is set up. The only thing that's left is wait until the analysis completes. Once the analysis is done, we can come back and check the deleted files so we can recover them. Be patient until the analysis finishes. As you can see here, the data source has been added. Now what's left is wait until the analysis completes. So once the analysis is completed, nothing will be showing up in here, and you will have these options. Go to deleted files, then double click file system, and a list of files will appear in here. And simply select the file that you want to restore, right click, and select extract files. Here, remember, you created a folder, and here you have an export folder. You can export it there. Save it. Wait while it is extracted. And I'm going to do the same with the other two files. I also have a preview of the file down there. Extract. Now I'm going to the folder. And I'm going to open the video file. ¿Qué tal? Bueno, continuando con there's the video. Una tabla o el carácter no aparece. I'm just showing random points of the video. Así de sencillo. Then the document. Here it is. And that's all. Now, the image file. And that's it. That's how you recover deleted files from an USB drive. I hope you liked this video and found it useful.